So right now it's pretty hot out here. Um, I do have the, you can see it behind me, the air conditioner mounted on the wall. But we flip it. So in the shop, it's probably about 94, 96 degrees. And it's going to keep going up because I shut everything off. So right now, I have these two batteries here and I have a monitor on them. And they're on their last legs. I really need to be able to get some lithium ion batteries. These are out of my truck. I've been buying Walmart deep cycle batteries and they last for about 3 months and then they die. And basically I need 24 volts at 100 amp hours. We take that, you get 2.4 kW. This unit here, I believe, has an 80 amp charge controller at 24 volts. And then it can do 2.4. Right now, the load is 2.1, and we're plugged into the outlet too to assist. So like right now, I'm only producing 1.5, and so what it does is the grid will supplement the rest, but I can still use my 1.25 to run the air conditioning. So that'll help me reduce my bill. The only catch is I can't grid tie and I need batteries to run this stupid thing. So the batteries are the biggest problem. I've actually got one set as 12 volts to one battery because it's got so much issues. Let's see what this one's putting out. We're 4.5 amps going into just this battery. So, but right now, it won't really tell me how much I'm going to be drawing from the outlet. Let me see. My load is at 89%, which is higher than I like to be. So we've done 7.35 kilowatts today. So what I do here is I've got a clamp meter, and the output is what I'm set to right now. I put it on. Right now, I'm technically pulling 19.5 amps through this crap, which is really high. I don't know how accurate this thing is. Let's put it on 400 amp. This meter is sort of iffy. Let's see. Okay, that zeroes it out. Oh, I see why, because I'm not looking at it correctly. This is just 400 amps or 1,000 amps AC. The next position up is 1,000 amps DC, and then 200 amps DC. What we want to see now is we should be able to clip onto either one of these. We can just do this and hold the phone at the same time. Okay. I'm pulling 6 amps out of the outlet to supplement things. So, really what I should probably do is just go ahead and unplug one of these and just plug it into the regular grid. I'm going to leave this in here so I can see what's going on. Just shut it off for now. But yeah, it's really hot in here, and temperatures are just getting worse and worse. And obviously I can't run all three, so I've got that one off. I got some 12 gauge wire. I was thinking about running out through here through some conduit and then make like a distribution. I don't want to tie to the panel, and I'm only running air conditioners. So this thing is just very inefficient. It's never worked very well. I think there's some of these that have double tubes on them, so this have a second vent or something. Because what happens, I guess, is it sucks air in through the back, blows it out here, and then vents hot air out there. So I think they want like an exchange of like where it sucks in cool air and circulates it on the back to carry the heat out better. Because I guess what happens is this just starts to draw air pressure out of the room, and if everything's really airtight, you'll end up with a negative pressure because it's blowing air outside too. So unfortunately, this is what we got to use. The unit that is on the house is not from this house. Somebody put it there to make it look good when they sold the house, and then there's leaks underneath the ducting. So what happens is it can't do it and it freezes over. So we just have individual air conditioners, but if we run them all, the bill will go up $150, $200 a month. So that's what the solar is for.